guys, so today we're gonna do an unboxing video. And then we're gonna unbox it and see what it is. Okay, here it is. We're going to turn it over and see what it looks like. There we go. It's an M801 by WinBridge, like I said. Voice amplifier, wireless microphone, and it's the black. They have two colors, black and green. And here's the specs. There's the pamphlet it comes with.
User manual.
User manual. So there's good directions in here. And let's see. Jerry's gonna go ahead and it's kind of a little windy out here today. Sorry guys.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
So that's the base. And we'll tell you what the functions is as soon as we learn a little bit about this. Okay, there should be a headset in there.
Yep.
And this is a wireless headset, from what I
really
understand. Well. Okay, see what it comes with here. Looks like the mic that you speak through.
Connecting wires.
The connecting wires.
Looks like a charger.
Oh, that looks like
head.
just a regular old charger that you know, like we do on cell phones and stuff.
With this
the USB.
That's right.
Cable.
USB, one of those letters. Yeah, we'll find out.
And here's a strap.
Look at this.
And that's the headpiece. So we're back here. I just want to show you, got everything laid out now. And we're going to go ahead and open this and get the headset put on. So it comes in this little bag. How exciting. It doesn't look too hard to do. This little thing comes off. Just the packaging. And this opens up. And you see these three little prongs here. There's three little prongs on this side, so you kind of want to match them up. This is the small that goes in here. Like that. And then you're going to turn this thing towards you. And now the headset is locked in place. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna take this out. And we're just gonna get this set up and ready to go. This is just all the packaging, you know. Just take it out. And I'm noticing I got this. I'm assuming it's for this to charge. Be able to charge it, because this does not have a battery in it. I mean, it has a lithium ion, but nothing, you know, like nothing you have to buy and put in. And then you have two cables. One, and I'm assuming, is for your cell phone to plug it in. And we have another cord here. And this is a cable that you can put into your cell phone. And you put the other end into your, into here. Right here is a slot. If you have a little TF card, which is like what you put into your cell phones, and you could put music through that. Then we have a USB. So this here, let me show you, it's also going to be USB, is so that you could put it in and record yourself. And then this side also can plug into here. Let's see, here's this side says mic, AUX, and SOS. And these are nice. They just slide right out. Okay guys, so this here says mic, and then this one is the AUX, and this one is SOS. And what you can do is to charge your headset. I just did this. You plug it in. You see this right here, little thing. You just plug it here, and then this goes into your wall outlet. You can also charge this too by using the same function this. Plug it in there, and then that plugs in to your wall outlet. And then they just unplug really nicely. This here's an SOS function, and it says if you want to, if you're outside and whatever you're talking through it, you could just press it on and off as you want to use it. And you can also put your mic this way. Right now we're gonna put this little strap on. It's just very nice, and it's a very nice machine so far. I haven't we haven't tried it yet. We're just doing it with you guys online. I also wanted to show you, I have my other phone sitting here. So see, that's very simple and easy to carry. So it's portable and lightweight. It definitely feels like a good machine. It's nice. It's heavy, but it's not too heavy. It's pretty light. And then I have my old cell phone here, and you can connect this here cord. It's the 3.5M into here. My new phone, unfortunately, doesn't have that. And you can also connect it onto, I would say it's the back side here, into here, and then you can play music through it. How do we turn it on? This middle button right here shows how to turn it on. You see it says high and 1. You heard it come on. Now, when you're outside, we had this outside earlier, and you could not hear. I mean, you cannot see the little dots, but we had to bring it in so you could see it. What I did was, I'm going to show you how you pair this headset with this. So basically, you just turn this on, and then you're going to turn this on. You press that, you see that's on, and then you press this button, and this here thing will light up. Okay, now I can speak through here, and I will show you. Let me turn this off. Now we're gonna plug this little TFI card, which comes out of a cell phone, into the TF slot. We're just going to show you how it works. What it'll do is any audio file in here, it'll pick it up and play it. So we're going to see what plays. It's just some things that's on my phone. It just plays like that. Okay, that's all for the video that I want to share as far as music goes. The other thing I want to show you is turning it back on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, it's a 3.5. We're going to plug it into my cell phone here. It's an old cell phone, like I explained earlier. We're going to put it on to this side, to the AUX.
Which is auxiliary. Right.
And then this is one of my videos, so it doesn't get copyright. And this is how our music would play through here if we're out on the street or somewhere. Everything I love. This is raises the volume. Maybe it's the video it needs to read. There we go. See how good it sounds?
I'm impressed.
Okay, let's go outside now. Okay guys, so this is one way that you can wear around your waist. It just hooks on here, goes around. It looks nice. Hi guys, so this is another way you can wear this. You can wear it nicely around your neck if you want. And you can also wear it sort of like this. You can walk with it. So now we're going to walk a little further and see how far this will carry. Okay guys, so now we're just going to take this, I'm just going to carry it in my hand, and I'm going to walk out to my garden just to see if you guys can still hear me. This would be good for like any type of outdoor event that you might want to be able to. It could even be if you want to do a little barbecue right now. set it down here. I could walk away. Maybe you can still hear me. See if you can still hear me. Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, so I just did that little test to see how loud I was and if you can hear me pretty well. Okay guys, so all in all, I think it is a very good machine. It does definitely pick up my voice. It didn't do it so great outside unless you were kind of close.